go take off my shoes, turn on my clothes, dance at my down.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
I go take off my shoes, turn on my toes, dance at the wow. Any kind of dance, come on. of the Lord. You've been right here beside me, through the fire, through the rain. I didn't burn, I didn't drown, 'cause you were right by my side. I am a living testimony of the goodness of the Lord. Hey, this is the doing of the Lord. What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render? What shall I render to you? What shall I render? Say, yeah, me the woman found. Hey, can you? And yeah, me the woman found. Because of what I did, but this is the doing of the Lord. I am still here. I have life and I am awake. Because this is the doing of the Lord. I am still here. I have life and I am awake. Because this is the doing of the Lord. Because I knew the way, but the hand of the Lord, the way maker. What shall I render? 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 And then you'll be the woman found. Hey, and can you? Min sazioni di nyuma. Jesus, Jesus, Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Jesus, they make me fine. Some people ask me, say, what's in the maker to find? I just tell them, say, if it's Jesus, they make me fine.
who never fails, who never fails, who never fails, who never fails, who never fails. That's right. So I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never disappoints. Who never fails. Nyankopon ya somno no. Onfeli. Nyankopon ya somno no. In fact, he will never disappoint us. And that is why we love him. And that is why we will always love him. Good morning. I'm about 93.3 of Zalo 43 minutes after 10. Your friend me Jenny me champion Kobena Kosti. Aha. Chaka sian come out the casa fidi atwa. And the benada. And the benada bia so no. Betnasia, your bomode say bit me any bit me bia. Na also when yaji ewa jumemo. Jumedi edi Adwuma by mid morning. Yes, somewhere from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. My name is producers Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, and DJ Kobike. And I can't to my problem see ever some more. Now for Juma also I get this. It is a weird Juma and now for in our quiet Juma. Yakopon Uncle Can Ho. I know praise or show papa. This is you for. He say ozone and then want to tell ya into me jail. Yeah, or show up papa. Now easy for us doom light as I come home. I'll do some pie. I swear she'll pop. 44 minutes after 10. Good morning, have a wonderful day. Chakasi and command Mr. Auburn and command Sam Force. For Steve, Mr. Chumasi, care no fashion, and send for you any back up a saloon with Gambia. And I feel Mr. William Bear, good morning. Nanayao, Warrior Bompire Junction, Natural Look Beauty Saloon, good morning. Exclusive Beauty Saloon, SDA Junction, Michael SDA Junction, good morning. And I'll feel check a upon so and come Mama Hana or SDA Junction, no Pama dear Saton Kobe. See, I go by no. Obiaja Tumso ye, another Yanso da Hoda. But your light out say the whole Dana. And I have a bonqua. The old dam on my who said I already know what they are. A jagger says so and come from my parties golden scissors as a beauty saloon. Level 360 girls in from Benny's to Babs, Adwa, Florence, and the rest of the girls. Change 46 minutes after 10. Also, good 93.3 of Mamma Quacha, Madam Government Hospital, Richa, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and our friends on Najwa. Emmanuel Mauga, always. Charities Fashion, DJ Lion, one Company Junction, and Ajayi, also a Company Junction. Legacy and command Mr. Asari. Mihuache, Lakomebe. Mr. Sorry, Robert's Ramiton Kanche. And you know, I a motivational message, baby. Mama Vida or Jubilee Bridge in the soul. Good morning. And I have been at that, so you know, baby. When we say Ghana have not regions, 2 popular regions been able. And a bumper until 1970. The separating regions, no. There are 16 regions as in America. They can't tell another 10 regions, no. Popular regions, you know, a boom until 1970. And and before they share to a ponso and you separate say I could free back home. And today on Did You Know? You know, but you're here on 93.3 FM. Your friend Kobina Kosti, a branch part of Perfect Gentleman. Yeah, Tuesday, you call history class. You call your history class. And you know, all the historians will be making sure some class. Vivian Autry. And then one back class, I was super.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Papa Now Cost.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Of course, our Lord is good. He has always been good to us. So you see, there's this thing I always used to say. I will always love God for one reason. And the reason is sometimes things we do as Christians, things we do, you see, we do not qualify to be called Christians sometimes. But you see, this man up there always care for us, always protect us, regardless whatever we are doing, regardless things we do. This man says, no, I'm still going to protect these people. Because things we do sometimes, they ask ourselves so many questions. So can we call ourselves Christians? Maybe it's me afraid who Christopher Pound here still loves us. In check us here and for Prophet Peter, Prof P. That you want to say, and I'll feel all the taxi drivers, Brad David, the patrol want to say, stagger. Now, before you crash Sembebano, let me find here and call and for my Adwuma Health Center. Adwuma Health Center. People and coffee be name is here friend about chip compound. And I'm a boy. No, I'm a friend about clinic, me boy. It be clinic, right? Yeah. Me boy. Just I'm a friend of Kruma about clinic. Okay. I knew Mama Kai Tama me watch child evangelism. I knew you to pass show coach grandma. I can't tell my child evangelism. You are God and so that's from the east to the west. Oh my Lord, you are the best. I will lift up your name. Lord of Lords, you are the greatest in the world. From the north to the south, you are God and so that's from the east to the west. Oh my Lord, you are the I will lift up your name higher. Hey, Seva. And Chichaka say, and come Becky, and come Mabel, Julie, The other name, I will skip it because I can't pronounce the other name. Is it Nickel or what? I will come and look and pronounce for me. Hey, go forward, I can see a power. Nickel. Say a sad year in your big house and command Nickel, and command Mabel, and command Julie, and command Becky. Mongina Abo Health Center, and this is coming from my own man Prince Ima. Charlie, what's up? Mumra Meshu, hey, Mumra Meshu, hey, Mumra Meshu, hey, Mumra Meshu. So you see, gospel will be saying, I also see it. They said that come back and see, but they didn't come up and that come back and reduce. Because now saying gospel, I mean, there's this TV station. And you may now open worship song, they are born pile. There's this particular station, everyone always say about how much about 12:31. Whenever I am scrolling through the TVs, like the channels, I want to get channel like mobile worship. There's this particular TV station. Which was almost up and coming gospel artists and now Bakubi Amity upon say, and I can yanko one can name and ding contomer and crime say, oh, rather yanko. How much almost I know that will make a channel natural that could see. Just saying some young can count gospel. Radio Mammy Boza. Radio, oh yeah, guy, Mammy Boza. Rather was sell how Mammy goes wait. Don't be so your time I recorded. Anyway, big shout out and command Nimsi, Kulibali, Charlie, what's up? And now we and command Nanaya Obey, Minya, Biabo there. Vivian Autry, so a back class that cry. Now, Tinako Ponya Doma. Calvary Methodist Church Achim Odan 20 years. The sign to know almost celebrating almost 20th anniversary. Name Adwuma Memenda 25th May. Wamube Chimo Momefa Street, Wamube floats. And until now, Achim Odan Diocese Bishop Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng. On the late chairman, and our friend, so brother Dr. Isaac Danso, very Reverend Kingsley Safo Kwati, stand up secretary, and our friend, so minister in charge, Reverend William Watches upon, and leaders of the church together with the congregation of the Calvary Methodist Church invite all to their 20th anniversary celebration, which is themed discipleship, celebrating 20 years of the goodness of the Lord and growing into Christian maturity. Activities are happen that day, 25th, this Saturday, a float. It's Yaba Chrome, Yaba Chimo Mome, Alpha Chrome now for you. Yeah, the Nankopon Ashadamano. And I say, Radi Mo, why, yeah, I'm an abroso. Why ye amana friend? Why ye amana ya kono? The science Obiya me kanya ho nyame ya adoma this Saturday. Na yen twimu mo me Enfamfa Street. Now for Nikosia that 26th May no so a special Thanksgiving service. Ewa ya sore 9 hour Dukes Filling Station at you are down continue 9 o'clock prompt. Na ya shas yanza. Chairman Honorable William Akwesi Ejapon Kwetu and our speaker Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, a minister in charge, and our invited guest Honorable Nanaya Wasafo Mafo, Honorable Alex Akwesi Akwa, Honorable Victoria Edu, Obrempong Safo Jemfio Tosumienu, or your Kronti Hen Kotoku traditional area. Now, me see invited guest to be back called Ebinko. A prophecy. A prophecy. Mashanko. Invited guests. A bibeko. A be enko. Ana ameboa. It's invited guests. A be a honorable Nanaya or Safo Mavo. Honorable Alex Akwesi Akwa. Honorable Victoria Edu. Alfei Obrempong Safo Jemfio Tosumienu. A bibeko. A bibetu mofo. Well, I talk about no address, white, all white, not a banisa. Come on to join us, praise the good Lord. Now, your property. I feel watching. No, my main kind of home, Brian, call you motivational message, bra. Yeah, but I'll tell you what is going to happen tomorrow at Achim Asane, Ahenkan FM, and NYC Pop. Watch him Asane. So, young call there for motivational message and from bro. And then Tuesday, let's say another history class. We'll be talking or we're speaking about two popular regions in Ghana before now a boom back till 1970. You're separating or more. So I will tell you more about that. So make sure we'll be back class in 10. So Color Studios and they go to embroidery and then I'm show on Facebook at Adia Shemino. Can see Color Studios and they go to embroidery. And the Sawako Honoma or baby amount 9 and now for a banner photography so at Chemo Down Crown 1 and it is so. And to say with the birthday we engagement upon program we be out here photographer, videographer no. The show for only trail our Color Studios and they go to embroidery. Now on and sort to out Woma Woni and Japan. The track on Liberty Transport opposite Kenal Pharmacy friend was 0245276638. 0245276638. Now, so this morning our daily dose of motivations. Every Eckhart Tolle or say the past has no power to stop you from being present now. Only your grievances about the past can do that. The past has no power to stop you from being present now. I'm breaking it down. Now I'm from the local dialect, not as ye. Nia echemu on your past, nia echemu no. Only to me be so stop you from reaching your goals. And conform be tired way. Obi was assume si minimum obrabia wa bom ribi etwemu pa o se ende wo ye sofo. Enipa bebre entumi enji ofre wo musuntum because of their past. Because so be dan sofo say what are people going to say? And conform be kan dey na boy we pa mribi etwemu na ne krono pa. So there's this guy from Aaron. He's now a powerful man of God. He was a gay. He has a lot of tattoos. Now he's now a powerful man of God. One man in the past. One man in the past no, and determine the present. You won't go for baby honoma. Omo drume wasan komo ware betre ma. But the son says suban bia o dan di mra no so when she was young, when she's about 25 years, or brabi or boy, after we drew me, I was so worried. The man temo for you say, sister, we don't want to bro. Sister, wait dear. Oh, sister, wait dear. Sister, yeah, the sang no one now worry. Because ya pesa ya de obrabi a wabo mribi etwemu echeche ne dachi. But what I want you to understand is that obrane de wabo etwemu, you are now a new person. So do not allow the past to hold you from your present. You should not allow your past to stop you from achieving your goals, from getting what you want in life. It is your past. Why regret it? What humpire? What busa? Boniface? Boniface free ni ade? Eye, ni aka wonim na doso. Echimen kase obrabia ma bonti na eduma we nkofo mfa mame. Obrabia ma bo penti. Kwa me kopani bi edim kra me ferry. Oba refer me to my past. No. Eye wo past. Yes, eye wo past. Etwem. Ultimate nyahwe mfa ho. The be I talk as I said, there are so many things we've done in the past that we regret. Yes. And one thing about it is that we can't rectify that mistakes. There are certain mistakes you can rectify though, I know. But there are certain ones you can't rectify because when you experience but do not visit that mistake again. Do not visit that problems again. And do not let that past to hold you back. Say media boy say woman tell man they say be obi a ti aso pen. Ti hwan na be ware me ye ti aso tufra bo abo konkwanta obenya kun wo. Ena when chige os ne de me di bebre afamesi ase. Enti me shabo pa se me nyo oba wale wo wanchi pan be de shabo anya hwe brabo abo obenya bia ware. Sa na tie. Enti na ma obra be wabo atwam no. Enchichiro ana se enchiro ne a obeye daache. Ya ka wani mu na doso. Mistakes why ewie. Wasre Boniface eye. Nipa de achew. Ya ka no se obekọ wani mu. Na ofei wa preach ni tipa. Ano pay young crown share asem no aha ene de besi na mekotwa me ho aba mekoba de aka no so bebre na yede no so abrɛ ne ade a senabdi kan na history class no ever share two popular regions before Nebom until 1970 after independence, which is 1957 titi muni ade ade. So I will tell you more about that in the Jiffy. Stay tuned. I have 93.3 FM. Did I say 1957? Yeah. Independence, is it 1959 or 1957? 1957. Okay. Am I confused? Are you sure?
Independence.
6th of March 1957. Hey, I said, my car, I know my tour. I call wepa. Me pa jobe basi sia.
Se wa fa mu ko mu kro na yaru be de muntum kra. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pini ana e pini se me fa ni nko ni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asie mu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira ava one herbal mixture study. Malaria sro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de umpo mu ayemre. Bobi omodo so nya na drugstores any herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumie no. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. Wedura ne ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejwedi enkrato yatu.
Asa na de fia ehrampao.
Ha, eya ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ni enko limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada enyoma eni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu na me de sie.
Me do me fan fiti ahohoro poto bi di isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila wohu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eye JA Biny Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
ei anu omo wo niema papa
Biny liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wahoro wo nsen uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wohoro nchase mu nyina da
ene we die medi adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
eye JA Biny and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesi a
Mafili, esana chile. How ye guy? Minya, baby, I betina jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. Be an apon ato hama. Obi opeso your birthday. Obi opeso your graduation. Metre empon ho. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Sike twie bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games biaso no. Bra. Na behwe. Ye was secure car park. Jack. Your security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Fit a phone muha, and I be level 360 pop. Jack, oh no boys, oh no girls, Munina, Mum Brani and Gianni, Bestre, 0540 535777 0540 535777. I think church chimney level 360 pop, ever my ultimate pop experience.
I didn't realize her. Oh, Mr. Q, you have family be wife. My wife do a good many more. Mr. Q, they say, take it easy. As a word for the how can I take it easy? Ojam, Nibusa, a man saying, and Mukunum, Atoka, my woman. Nema Kotoka, and Monogam, after Nipetimachi, ever show. Woman, if Rabana, and yet you hear, compare me, dream, Mr. Q, be banum, let me who's a your back. Now, man, putting up before your root, a true dear here, and one say, why am you said you sure to what was the call? Ojam, we don't know you. Is that a patch of park? Naso Banus would come. How? Woman, you a reset the Padina, and say, it don't know the house of a Wuda. Kunyashio, Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma. But then Mr. Q, Abbey, I didn't know what's out of and community woman. Say what you say. Jibikonum, a sa wako heba, chemical, and a pharmacy. Do also a wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amuafo, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drug Store, Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris was asking for soup. Francis Mesa was asking for soup. Frank and Daughter Pharmacy were Esukuma and Dobin Brakwa. Unable to afford Kulumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you, because you must say, I like that.
FD Ashosha Sa Ejedi Enkrato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
Hi, your friend me foreman. Mejuma sweni enti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shemensa. Mesha se wusika enko waste. Enti me tomenyo menyi na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paint, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa Cheng, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Asem Papa Biamati, oh ye, Asem Papa Biamati offer, Oye,
Medicine Papa Bena, what's your offer? Oye, Yediasam Dano.
Oh, Minia, HJ Africa, Dominic CSR, Ghana, hey, and Macabum, Aroma how to a nay, me to sign you, or Macofa organic fertilizer bar, a year for ye, a CSI assassin, a Pamua, Nama no bano, a so drosso.
You are finding a name fertilizer one year day, in your big crown to a bonus so I tarry.
And no sweet manager, a sunset offer, Kakrabi, bottle back 2 acres, a bay kama, Nabasu, sir, drosso, and Nuntina, me bohu deuro, a Diamagana, Quafonia, so poor my child from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby I talk kwaya hu no mabia.
Offer organic fertilizer. As a baby I tell offer. Oye. Offer.
Oye.
Offer.
Oye. Offer kakrabi su no ba no.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. I was walking up in town and caught up this vampire lady. Oh, I narrowed down to check up. Maybe she know Mario. So I got down and say, oh, I'm flying up by now. Shemini will frame and go be so sick. Mickey and Madrid will be high. The man, you know, won't go now, Fanta. Mickey and Madrid will be high. The man, you know, won't go now, Fanta. So would you be my baby? Oh, my baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Would you be my baby? Oh, my baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Miss Mama Chair. Won't go to me, man. For you, man, I make a beat in my seat. Now say ya, not a tear. Don't me, mama, now. From more of a champion, what don't see. Now say ya. I see this so well, go. Now so well, my baby, show me some love. Oh, baby, so well, go. Now so well, my baby, show me some love. Oh, would you be my baby? Oh, my baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Would you be my baby? Oh, my baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Miss Mama John, so what done me? Sorry, baby, I say ya. Miss what done me? Sorry, baby, I say ya. Come over to the left, say. Come over to the right, your back, say. Let me see your back and shake that booty. Yeah. Move it to the left, say. Come over to the right, your back, say. Let me see your back and shake that booty. Shake that booty for me. Would you be my baby? Oh, my baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Would you be my lady? Oh, my baby. Oh, would you be my lady? Oh, baby. Miss Mama John. Hey, Miss Mama John. Oh, you know, teaching, say, hey, whatever better time, I put up a demo pay. I always say, when you're open, when you're winning every empty, you're free. Dabby,
shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. What's the fire? What's the fire? What's the fire? Girl, I've been around the world and I found the girl I want, and I ain't gonna give her up. Ooh yeah. Oh, everything you want from me, I will give it out to you. All I want from you, girl, is to show me that you love me too. I don't go yeah, me for. She me do. Unia wonanga me dey. I don't go yeah, me for.
Who's up fire? Aye, who's up fire? Who's up fire? Who's up fire? Hey, 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 ya what? Hey, hey, ya what? Running Sam in Yobia. Yobia. Missy, you have a call. Why? Bam bam, bam bam, bam bam, yeah. Bam bam, bam bam, bam bam, yeah. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change your style. Oh my baby be like that. Oh my shawty don't change. That's right. So 24 minutes after 11. Let me check some reactions on Facebook. My peer somewhere says, "Good morning, I'm Branton Park. It's a beautiful day for us. God bless us all." Nurse and Gatti says, "Good morning, the boss. Watching you live from Nursing's air condition. Company at Amasaman Kraman." Pepe smile face. Yes, sunny day. Yes, sunny day. Yes, sunny day. Yes, sunny day. Ya yo. Right, so that me out the much now. I kind of yeah, call Adwuma-Adwuma Ewisa Road. Yeah, call NYC Pub. I watch Adwuma-Adwuma. Yeah, call telecast. Yeah, Europa League final game between Atlanta FC and Bayer 04 Leverkusen. And the Shim Woho. The opposite who I kind of guys in Papa John by Adwuma-Adwuma Ewisa NYC Pub. Na yam proper gra. Ebi a opposite with the Ubertanasi. Na TV Philly game ni make sure your executive table. Ubetimi Fred designer. That was 0544102810 0544102810. Fred designer said designer I kind of from 4 airborne Mami Akunya reserve seat mami I'm international I Philly game on the so that's yes level 360 pop and Nijana Honejina so person would you any weekend way Opesa would you any day bia Opesa would you now some power Philly and Nigeria Michelle level 360 pop sabra na Yama won't feel it, Yama won't ninja, Yama won't jumpa. Jack, also your guys, what they say. So if you are looking for the ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast, the level 360 pop got you sorted. You check on watch him or down a mantra Jubilee Hospital Road. So at level 360 pop, we've got it all. Great music, delicious drink, and a lively atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. It's about level 360. Ooh, pound home. The birthday program be away be our person with your baby our hall air come environment near nice atmosphere near good level 360 bra there was sounds for all your DJs for your MCs for all then juicy can be a name on beton sound hall that's it. Remember at level 360 pop the fun never stop. Frey was 0540535777 0540535777. Nah, come and have a wonderful time at level 360 pop. From Pawn Enterprise, Jumera, what di papa, Ugusu di papa, Fair Papa. I just say, oh man, no more cost you upon my boys. And the girls, and they want a DJ in a 24 one a down for any from Pond Enterprise. A Jumera, Opa Chosa, open all kinds of mackerel, open all kinds of cooking oil, open all kinds of tin tomatoes, all kinds of perfume rice, all kinds of biscuits, toffees, next to product with say Milu, Nido, Cowbell, Nina, Obenyabi Ato, from Pond Enterprise. And now for open detergent, I hold on swire from Pond Enterprise. Stationary beer from Pond Enterprise. Metra, that is a from Pond Enterprise and one the only place over call I could talk on your mouth assume ever Joe. A patron pay from Pond Enterprise. Na Kodija. We are dreading open your mouth over tonos and power to a cotton and faswa from Pond Enterprise. Zebra. Nature quite the brain and cravat. I'll be serious boyfriend here. We from Pond Enterprises, Brana Bedija. The patcha would drew man there in a hotel. I see a Honor from Pond Enterprise main shop on the wall. From Pond Enterprise, was a bra, open a cosmetics, Obenyabi, open drinks, Obenyabi, Obama the Andrew a new market to Honoma. From Pond Enterprise, a beer and crab tower Honoma, Honor, electrical accessories, Bia, Subenyabi, so open TV, open fridge, open air conditioner, open DSTV decoders, the patch of hope, Boremo, na Copebutanaza. After Woodrew, Absa Bank in the Opsita. From Pond 24 service hour shop, no. Our hands are 24/7. Jinemusa, no pay we anymore. The corner shop on the edge, man. Call from Pond Enterprise. Nankoton, no man, boy for now. Was a window for 0244 8975525 0206473 953 0242 111 236. The Droyeba Center. Yare. Na a feel and oh, Yare last stop, a Droyeba Center. Papa Jowu, I can see a Bema Pie was wolf like a cracker. Okay, Droya, Mama will draw now. Funu a chain. Bema Pass our fire food. Who never say pass aquano? Constipation at channel. The pass our tank. Remember for that who say and yakra. Papa talk with Droye. Yama will draw na fasa. Na wofuno and check. Na say yen 6 parts of 1 year was with the tree. Good Droye. Papa talk cocoa. Sexual dysfunctions. Then I would to us when I swear after you go no white syphilis, diabetes, pressure. Then I would to us with Droyeba Center. On chances say the check on my chim sweat drew quantum ponzo. A penny junction, Opsit Handset Beauty Salon. 0599419321 0599419321. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Manson, Chairman Manson. Dance here, who your man in a fee in the hall. Your number one stop shop for all building materials. Or San Juan, you do yourself. Call Mr. Manson China Copper Cement. So, per Seam Cement, Diamond Cement, gas some cement, open another open iron rods, open POP, plaster balls, fiber, open center panels, and as a corner molding, wall angles. Nina, for Nichimo, Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Manson said, Bra. Say bana dance here when your ma a papa quality. Patrolling China Benebiato. They be a catcher says, Opa dance here when your man quan dia. A chrome ha, Mr. Manson will be a gina tomb. A chrome ha, Mr. Manson a ton quality building materials. And the calling chain, man, Chiesika and good na and new home. Then Chiesika, what dia dear that you will never join. Like I say, yes, you pay less for quality. Mr. Manson Kwan, and I bet you guarantee all the quality building materials. And the calling chain and then I'll pay. Oh, yeah, company Josh, one is Jaji, and I didn't anymore. 0208 123 872 0244 566 880. Alpha Mauli Fruitus Ventures. The men found two when you must say, open excavators are renting the Juma, open bulldozers. Now with the construction works and I say mining works bia ma will fruitus ventures as a bra or hot edamau ain't she or ma will fruitus ventures we are miner and I say we are foreman about construction I can say I want to be any ubanya excavators ubanya bulldozers ubanya loaders in fact heavy duty machines are yadi ye enuma kesa no ma will fruitus ventures e was some machines ning na bi afo en so say open canopies open mattress ana nkunya no so more than once ni bi o enye 2x4 ni bi more than once no ma will fruitus ventures say bra na be pay bi rented. There will free cash I had deliver the rented canopies and chairs no at the amount at the friend the chair kwan wa chim swabe achim wenchi but me need incomo 0541 470857 and 0200 787889 0200 787889 Mawuli Fruitus Ventures, we serve you the best. After ye dine tie me wa ha na tie fila bia me de ma na fila me de ma no eye odi media eye ya ye dia henkan ye na ye dia odi media se me fan to ani boys girls mo pese mo tough rich kese upon this dem na mo fanye ice water business ana ebia open air conditioner senia ozone ya no hwatete na de wo hyewa ba no oda wonda etino open air conditioner obetimi adaye pa obetimi feeling no zampa what danka sanka me sure odi mi dia sebra na beto ade a opese wo to your shop ho so we see kan so kura wo dia bra. All what you need to do is obetria part payments half of the price item now be choosing you just pay half of the price now for the account you spread the amount within 3 months now what we come up so they say this open TV inches be open air conditioner brand be a type be a be after washing machine, rice cooker, blenders, ceiling fan. I mean, just name them. Ring now over here. Deep media. Ubenya and your money begin to each acquire where Machamadan containing opposites the MTTU police station or and I'll be here. Friend was 0550 900 600 0550 900 600. After Don Cool Ventures, last hour now for ya call your history class. Don Cool Ventures, young pen sound fun your program, young pen sound fun to your bedding, young pen sound fun dancing and your boys was in fun far drain, young pen sound bad, your pen sunny beyond and the war for Nina, Bishop for any trim away Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures a wholesale and retail of crab and Guinness products and our face from the alcoholic beverages and now the alcohol anyone's wa Don Cool Ventures zebra now one and sort to pa Casaprecum products BT Salombo K20 Black Rock Tonic Wine Dry Gin thinking now when you be at all ever swear your products thinking now so more air for a wholesale prices and to bra na me be na fefa prapreja Sunny Star Plaza from Sanasi and I'll be who Don Cool Ventures. My patrol fare was 0555486990 and 055625226668. Yes, yeah. And I asked me take my percent Danny. You know, I'm making Kenya now. I'm very careful. I'm hearing you. I'm there was a be careful. Hey, Cheveko history class. Oh, is this a talk out? Oh, what's it?
Okay,
man can't, but about me too.
Zenga bezo kande.
Come take from Edani. You see, I call history class.
Zenga
T. You see, come take from, and I don't know what is wrong with me. Come take from my head, Danny.
Zinga kande.
I don't know, but come me can say and she call history class. Do Kadani and come say.
Ose,
Edani and come
as a such a bojo. I don't go visit why there. You don't go visit why there.
So what could you bring? So me so now mo property. What could you bring?
Na we nyina yaso.
Na today is now. Enya continue our what is now.
Me bem come dinti na ma betina.
Today is now.
Ma ba show so me say dinti na wa.
There is now. Okay, there is now.
I wish the more we day as an
Massa. My candidate.
I bet they come in.
My candidate.
Putting for inside.
Massa. Inki way. Who the moku bebana?
Me dey.
Hey, do chanya kwase ni. O ya fa ingi gum na ye ko history class.
Nyame adwa china. Ye nyina ncha team ayanka ni nyina squad ni nyina ekopio mo.
Kasegu mic ni mu.
Ose.
Kasegu mic ni.
Na the first time kasegu dem.
Kasegu mic ni mu.
Na kasegu dem.
Afi na kasegu.
Akoiba. Bibia okay. And the message nyame adwa china. New York City pub. Aye Wisa Road. China man kan ye so e bibia. Ye tam ye studio ni na kosi ono.
Okay.
And the for ne ye love as a fans ni na obi amadwane. Obi from great to grand. From you yourself, Kobike, DJ Chabo, me, Boba, Puzo, Bia.
Me nkan you be free. I no go so.
You know go them.
I say I no go so.
Bombo station event to Bombo kan go bi.
Me see me go buzi me bombo.
Oh baby, you know is jam honum. Ti nyame aduma china by 5 na you know start to Miami honum. Ti man kan.
Miami.
Miami road honum. And what?
Wisa Road there, Miami Road.
Wisa Road.
Ya kwa family ya somehow.
Ti nyame aduma china bi ansha honum. Aja anyumri. Over the Europa on.
Yeah.
Europa League finals.
Yeah.
Aja ile ku pimo New York City pub.
Teams banewo.
Ose.
Teams banewo.
For help you na mre.
But I don't know there yet. It's okay.
What do you want to talk?
It's okay.
It's
workers I want to say vlog. Like are you comfortable like when na on chiro?
Say.
Keda why kutu via.
But you
Akwa kutu.
No.
As a tennis ball. My class. Akwa kutu ga. Ai. Oh, there be. Obi serious husband. I'm a Porsche. Yalo, you said that on the show. What we do you are wavy. Yeah. Alright, so 41 minutes after 11, we are from the course. Now let's get into it. Your history class. Young classroom now, favorite. You're sharing your echo in there. After my mobile record, you say, yeah, you them now bother me. But now, yeah, you bother me. So no class, no who ran a pen cradder. Koulibaly, are you in class? What's with the Anna when was our class? It's a Koulibaly. What back class and now on back class? Okay. Azoti Benjamin, are you in class? John Ajiman Kobotin, are you in class? Vivian Autry, are you in class? About your one with that teenage ones who have more with him. Then you baby, Nana will be with the Wabba that. Wabba class. What's it? Ramaico, oh, Mana, oh, Chinya, who grab now tally stickers. Ramaico, no, I have back class of a teenage. I don't know. Right, so young class is here. And she and there. Yeah, sure, yeah. Ghana abakwasem kakra. Man share recently MPP aban Eddie regions ni bi beka ho amani be 16 regions. But before, now 10 regions. So when him say, now 10 regions. Now before I 10 regions, now popular regions be a boom, ne boom. And one at the team. So let's get into it. And in the central region of Ghana was part of the western region. Now central region and the western region ne boom. Now a region back home. So central region was part of western region. So now you need central region. It was just western region. Enti baby a ohoya central region sisi no oho nyina na western region until 1970. That was after independence. 1970. And these two regions, a separate here. Now, what brought about the separation? Then NMA central region etin who free a western region home. And the separation of the central region from the western region was done by the government of Ghana in 1970 as part of a broader effort to decentralize power and promote regional developments. Intina ebomuntina sopa na eson and I obehwe the year pa eson kept coast for one fante and eson second takrade for so one fante me wa we there madam Lucy will know better. Okay, madam Lucy the fante na win by 4 fante, but still na she will know better. Because ohonyina ni area ain't in the senior beya capcos for but they won home not a crowd phone so bad you on home na ye bet me a develop a ohoye point, the then government decided say why don't we separate these two towns? It's a for half on in central region. Now you maintaining half on as western region. And to be a whole central region is here now in a central region. Until 1970. And the then government led by then head of state General Ignatius Kutu Echampon. Sa papa na rumor has it that a rumor, it is alleged, please, it is alleged that you say for to beji golf. Nese me boa, you say for to beji golf, want it? Say neyamba, neyamba. So your papa na say oh nyash na, you just go bend over there and go give you one golf. And the head of states, that time, General Ignatius Echampon created a central region as a separate administrative region with its own capital, Cape Coast. The separation was likely done to give the central region more autonomy and recognition of its unique culture, economic and geographical characteristics. And this is the reason why General Ignatius Echampon created central region. So again, central region was part of western region. Not you need to be a friend of central region until 1970. General Ignatius Echampon created central region. Until I don't know created central region. And also no, my creative idea because one, me per se development ekosuye ewa ha. And again, osanso per se you recognize the Cape Coast and as you recognize Central Region for its unique cultural and economic geographical characteristics. You get so oh okay, so these are people of secondary Takrade, these are their culture, their things they do that defines them as Western people, and these are Central people. Almost one culture. Okay, we so yeah, for Ibia, but almost different from near Western region for General Ignatius decided, okay, let me separate them, let me create a new region for these people. Now my more capital, which is Cape Coast. Now again, or create Central region no be more autonomy. What you say? Now to me at the you can autonomy. I mean, it refers to the state of being self-governed or having the freedom to make decisions and act on them without being controlled by others. Send obi and show so Western region 4 and show on your Western region 4 can say Moshe Asinti there be ni aim, the motive out the a creative Central region was to put lights on their culture, to put lights on them, so people will know how unique and how beautiful the land is. What you say? So the now you need anything called Central region. Now you need BBI a friend of Central region until 1970. At the end of the semester, went to me and pass here. Monsieur, university be atro, you be guama near Sapamon. And the Troto say Central region was part of Western region. Central region was part of Western region until 1970. Until 1970. The then government led by the then head of states, General Ignatius Kutu Echampon, Ekreti Central Region, 1970. So, if you didn't know, now you know. Sena Unima and there. This is the reason why you should be listening to Ahenkan FM. This is why the history class will always stay, will always be here. This is the history class. It's Pasha Dream says Central region. Now on Central region now we are part of Western region until 1970. Until as part of a border effort to decentralize power and promote regional development, NIMA Central region ebae etifashe ukotoku natural tour exams na nje ebe wa be feeling no Vivian watch you feel ya you see yayi ye ka na obodame no we dey ya be feeling na ube hu say yes waso be sheba Michael, your back class and now they're chuku na chuchu nyoma zo feeling na ube hu. Alright, so Hannah yadi besi. Did you know no any yadi besi ene. Now for ya property. So still ya kaya so nyakopon Adwuma ochina. Ya call achim asene. Ahenkan FM squad ni na elba achim asene nyame Adwuma ochina. A game between Atalanta and Bayern 04 Leverkusen. When him say Ghana, this guy should have played for Ghana. Nema I mean, yamu we say me video be nema I mean is a typical Ghanaian, Jeremy Frimpong. Typical Ghanaian pa, like a typical Ghanaian mother. Hey, I must forget baby call boy no. A typical Ghanaian mother pa, who is always happy for her son. So watch now. I am going Second nursing in Bobo Pan, Conebo anything in your pool. Because Jeremy is on what's our on it, and I be about nursing a crave. Yes, a nursing, why could you the food so soon in your share? Nursing there. I just eating competition, one of betting your coffee. Own to me comica, own to me mobile, own to me volleyball, and my handboy, own to me movie, and my baby crowd. I just a wood near eating competition. And no one, you bet me that. Eh, and a competition, but I could be. Competition, I could be. And no dear, Obia Famano. Obia man of fans, Obia man of fans. Oh, I did a man of fans. Obia Famano. Sadia did a boy, chairman. Chairman. Forget the MBK. Chairman. Yapon. Yapon. My friend, the best one me day, the best one day. Yeah, I could have you.